Hi, I'm Ray and I'm in the garden today. It's a lovely sunny day. It's a bit chilly, but we're now in February and we're looking at doing some flowers in the garden. So today I'm going to grow some nasturtium, and the ones we've got here are peach melba, and it's a hardy annual and it's easy to grow. Beautiful mock flowers are produced in great numbers all summer long, even in poor soil, ideal for borders and patio pots. So these can be sown in February and March and can be sown outdoors from April, May and June, and they will flower from June right through to October. So I'm going to start some of these and we're going to do them in the propagator trays, and I'll show you how we're going to do it. So we're growing the nasturtium peach melba, and we're going to start them in these propagation trays. And we've got this propagator, which is a self-watering propagator, and it fits on the windowsill, so it's ideal. There's no heat, just literally soaks up the water from the matting, and that sits on the windowsill and it will sit on a south-facing window, and it'll be great. So we're using a peat-free compost, and this is the Super Grow compost that we got from Homebase on the deal for £10. So I'm just levelling the pot, removing any big twigs, as there is a few big twigs in the pot, and then we're going to give it a bit of a water just to soften the compost, and then we take our seeds, and the nasturtium seeds are quite a big seed. Just going to lose one there. So these are quite a big seed, and they're in a big casing, so we can spread these about quite easily. So I'm just going to space them around on my tray, giving them a bit of space. Might make it easier for potting on. I'm going to save some so we can do another sowing. It's always good to empty your seeds back over the tray. If any falls out, then it goes onto the tray and none is wasted. So that's our seeds in our tray. And then we're just going to get a slight covering, just sprinkle over the top. Removing the big twigs and any lumps. There we go. We're just going to give it one more gentle water. So we've watered the seeds and we've got our name tag. We're going to add the propagator onto the top, and we could hopefully expect to see the seedlings within 14 to 21 days, and that will sit on my propagator tray.